Try it again here. Kind of looks like compression to the upside though, I gotta be careful. Cut this one quick if it doesn't work for me. Took it off there, 5 ticks. Alright, Nana, I'm just gonna start narrating for the sake of my review recording. I don't think you ever talk in here anyway, so that's fine. I'm just reviewing December 3rd because I realized that was the day before I got access to the Fat Cat Journal. But I would still like to have this day reviewed so that at the end of December I can review the whole month. So I'm just reviewing shit from a few days ago, and then I've still got some review from yesterday I gotta do, so I'm just gonna do a bit of a review session. First thing is the duplicates. I have to get rid of some of the duplicates. It looks like this first trade at 954 is good. I'm gonna give that a green rating. It looks like I had maybe mean mid. I can tell you for sure here. Let's go back to December 3rd. 6, 5, 4, 3. Alright. And we're at 955, so 955 would be right around this area. So I'm going to say that was mean against on the lower time frame. Trend, obviously high time frame, uptrend, low time frame, downtrend, slip favor, pretty choppy price action, conservative execution, and I don't think I made any mistakes there. I think that was a solid trade. I'm going to leave these ones blank because I think this is too much hindsight. I think, like, Dream told me I won't be able to use this in lifetime, unfortunately, because Sierra Chart fucks up the order executions. However, I still will try to use it each day, just with a little bit of hindsight, because I can remember with pretty good accuracy how I was feeling an hour ago. You know, I just can't remember how I was feeling 4 days ago. So I'll leave these blank for now. These two trades are duplicates, so I always get rid of the one with the smaller P&L because that's not flat to flat. So 1003. You can see me stalking it here. It's going to be a long or a short? This is a long, and it ends up being a loss. Yeah, a little too impulsive on that guy. Looks like I probably could have taken it off for 3 ticks. Long 58 here. I want to see us reclaim 60, ideally. It's just taking too long, though. Yeah, stopped out there. 3 tick loss. Alright, so that was mean against pretty clearly. slip favor. I think I technically had slip favor, but I don't think... Like, I think I was too fast. But for the sake of data, I'll give it slip favor. The price action... Price action was pretty whippy, I think. So I'm going to give that fast price action. I think I was really aggressive on that one. Only mistake was just a little impulsive. I put impulsive as a yellow because I don't want to be impulsive. I want to think before I place trades. But I also noticed that like when I'm jumping into trades really fast, sometimes that impulsivity is my brain working too fast for me to comprehend what's going on. Which again isn't a good thing, but it results in good trades, and I kind of want to track that data neutrally. I don't want to always look at it as a bad thing. I'll give this one a yellow just because I did make a mistake there. Alright, 10:05. I think it's coming up here soon.
Order submitted.
Try 58s again.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Alright, filled 58.
Order canceled.
Looking for 60. I'm letting this one breathe a little bit.
Order submitted.
It's getting whippy up here. Yeah, I pushed this trade pretty far, I remember. 60. 59.75, took it.
Order canceled.
7-tick win right there. I'll take that. I took it off early, if I remember correctly. I was holding for 60.25, took it off at 59.75. I took it off a little early because we did have stuff working against me. Like I had this flat area behind me, there was some reclaim down here. I'm mean against on pretty much every time frame. So as bad as I did want the breakout, I just didn't want this trade to come back against me. Too big. It was too big of a trade to let come all the way back. I'll give this a green rating. I was a mean against on both time frames. I was trend favor on both time frames. I'm pretty sure I had slip favor. Yeah, I had pretty good slip favor on that. Price action was pretty fast. Yeah, I feel like these moves, considering the market environment, these are pretty fast moves. I think I was pretty conservative with the execution here. I mean, I don't want to think that every win is aggressive, because, I mean, I wasn't being that aggressive there. I was waiting, and I took it off before the target. I think I was pretty conservative. And no mistakes. All day. So now we're gonna go do 10-14. I think this was a short, if I remember correctly.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna try a long 57.50 here. Gotta keep it tight. Interesting. I kind of like this as a short setup more than a long setup. Get out of it here, I think. That might be why I got out. I don't like that it's getting flat below us. Man, that is so interesting.
Hey fellas, time.
Alright. So, that one is not a duplicate. I'm going to give this one a yellow because I don't think that was a great trade. I don't think I should have been long here. Like, as much as I like the reclaim and as much as I'm following the trend, like this kind of price action, I hate to say head and shoulders because it sounds so stupid, but this is like a head and shoulders type setup where it looks like we failed to make a new high and now we're going down lower. I think that's what we end up doing that day, if I'm not mistaken. This trades at 10.14. Yeah, head and shoulders right here, and then we go down and puke lower. So yeah, I should not have been long up here. If anything, I'll give this a red rating. So I'm shorting. I think I'm mean favor on every time frame this time, but ironically, I think I'm trend against on almost every time frame. Yeah, trend against. Or wait, no, I'm sorry, I'm long. So that would be trend favor on the large time frame, but trend against on the lower time frame. Right. No, I think this would have been mean against. I don't know why I put mean favor here. Mean against. That makes more sense. Slip favor. No, I don't really think I had slip favor. Maybe. Yeah, I think I did have slip favor there. I'll give it slip mid. Price action's still pretty fast here. Aggressive. I don't think it was a mistake that I took a bad trade. I just think maybe my read on the market was a little confused, but I'm not going to fill that part out today. Alright, 10.16 duplicate trade. I'll get rid of the lower one. So is this me reinitiating? I think it is. I'm going to try 57 here. Yeah, I don't know why I'm getting long on these. It's got to work quick though, man. I do not want to be in this range any longer. Yeah, I think I had a bad read of the market. I think I had tunnel vision. If I'm taking trades here, I should be taking it off for 3 tick wins. Out of this micro range. I think this one comes back against me if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I try to take it off there, but just bring it 1 tick lower, man. Take a 4 tick on this. Touched me. I think 5 ticks is a little too aggressive. Try 58. Yeah, this one comes back on me, I'm pretty sure. Try it again, got it. Oh, maybe it doesn't. Okay, I thought this was a losing trade. Never mind. Regardless, I'm going to give this a red rating. I don't think I should have been long there. Pretty much the same tags as last time because it's the exact same area. Are we uptrending at this point? Kind of slipping. Yeah, I guess I'll give this low time frame trend favor, slip favor. Kind of slowing down here. But the fact that we're in a slip range says fast price action to me. Like when I go for the slow chop tag, like it's like you'll fucking know when it's slow. Like I don't know, I'll try to find an example later, but I don't think this is slow price action at all. Execution was pretty aggressive, I would say. No mistakes, but again, I don't like this trade. I don't think I should have been long here. I think I should have been looking for short setups here. And that's not even hindsight. Like I didn't know that we were gonna puke when I started looking at these trades. But just objectively, like looking at this chart the way it is, I expect us to go down. But for some reason on this day when I was taking these trades, I was taking long trades. Maybe to defend myself, maybe I was trying to play a short pullback here. But either way, like I don't think there's high EV getting short in this area. So I'm gonna keep that as a bad trade. So next one is at 10:33. Get that big old dumperoo. Why is that trade there? Am I on drill or something? What did I miss? 10:23. So I missed it.
Order
Oh,
submitted.
pay attention, man.
Reclaim below
I can
us, up
hear
to 53.
in the replay, I can hear myself clicking and typing. I'm doing something on the other monitor, but there's good opportunity here, man.
Oof.
And again, I don't think I should have been long here. I think I'm distracted over here on my second monitor. I'm probably fucking doing something I'm not supposed to be doing right now. Discord or fucking, I don't know, saving fucking trades or something. Something stupid that I shouldn't be doing right now. I should be paying attention to this price action. We just printed a double top. We've rejected this reclaim above us. The momentum is clearly to the downside. I should be looking for short trades here, not long trades. And I don't even have slip favor on it. Bad trade. Very bad trade. High time frame, mean mid. It's hard to be mean favor in this all-time high environment. Low time frame, mean favor. High time frame favor, low time frame against, slip against, price action fast, execution aggressive. I might put chasing tag, because I feel like, because I was distracted, I came over here trying to catch an up move, but I'm late. Like, just, it's not even close. And then I get into some pretty bad trades here, man. Minus 150.
Give it to me too.
When was that? That was at 10:27. See, and now I get short.
Significant pullback
But the
up to,
fucking
like,
the move is already done. Like, I'm trying to get short way down here after we already did all that.
a little too impulsive. Yeah, I want to get out of this. 2-tick maybe. No, I got stopped out there. Damn.
Yeah, don't like that trade at all. Same as the last one. So mean mid, mean favor, against favor. Low time frame against. Slip against, fast, aggressive, chasing. Yeah, I'm gonna do chasing again. And then the next trade's at 10:30. It's another pretty big loss. Oh, I have to hold this one forever. I
It was just
remember.
way too early. It was way too impulsive.
I can hear myself in the narration saying how impulsive that last trade was too. And it looks like I do the same thing here. So I get short.
Those big orders coming up.
4 ticks in my favor and I don't take it off. Man, this is so aggressive. Like, I'm shorting at low of day right now. I'm shorting at the very low of day. That's super aggressive, and if I'm being that aggressive, I need to take these trades off. Because 4 ticks is a lot, dude. Like, and I nailed it. Like, I top ticked it. My read on the market's good. I nailed this trade, but I'm not taking it off for 4 ticks. So, poor rating. High time frame mean mid, I believe, right? Because we're still did not mean to open Steam. High time frame. No, I might do mean favor on that one, or sorry, mean against, because I'm shorting at the bottom of our range. So high time frame mean against, low time frame mean against. high time frame trend against, because we are uptrending overall. Low time frame against. Or no, sorry, low time frame favor. Slip favor. Spike, fast, aggressive. Holding. I'm gonna give this a holding mistake. Tempted to give it an over trading, but I think I'll hold off on that. Holding. I should have cut that way sooner. Next trade, 10:32, so just a couple minutes after this. I'm gonna take one more crack at it. It's kind of doing the battering ram effect right here. It has to keep coming up to get more selling pressure before it'll come down again. And I'm trying to leverage that. But I think I might be too aggressive here. Yeah, I've got upward compression against me. Yeah. See, that's where I should be getting short, if I am. Like, I shouldn't be short down here, regardless. Might reinitiate soon, but this is looking like upward compression. Something's got to change first. Alright, so high time frame mean against, low time frame against, right? Yeah, against. High time frame shorting into an uptrend, so I'm against, but I am in favor of the low time frame trend. Slip. I think I did technically have slip favor on this, but fuck, man. That's so speculative because I've got this huge reclaim above me. We're at low of day. Like, I might even give this a slip none because I don't think I was really considering slip at the time. Yeah, let's do slip none. Pretty fast, spiky price action still. Super aggressive. I think I was holding again, like 3-4 ticks, man. I think I should be taking that off, so. And I want to track that data. I want to see how often I'm holding trades. Man, these were brutal trades. I have a huge win coming up, but I don't think it's justifiable, really. Alright, so minus 150 at 10:33. So I reinitiate here because now it's downward compressing, but it's still like we're making higher lows. I should not be shorting at low day. It's a high conviction trade, but I just don't want to be too high conviction, you know. I don't want to fall in love with this idea. That's coming back on me here. It's another loss.
Order submitted.
Alright. Short 51, this is it. If I don't get this, that's gonna be my day. Yeah, that doesn't look. Yeah, I don't get it. Not wage to develop. I want, like. I gotta look at my stock. Still holding. Damn. So when was that? Was that the 1036 too? No. I have re-enter again at 1036. Man, that sucks. Although that's the one that ends up winning, so make of that what you will. But this is another horrible trade. Same as last time, really. Slip favor. Did I have slip favor? I don't think I did. No. But slip mid, or even is that slip against? No, slip mid. Fast, aggressive, holding. And then these trades aren't any better either. These are honestly fucking horrible trades too. I'm gonna have to pull up my journal for this, my old one, because I need to see when I cut these trades to know which one's the duplicate.
Order submitted. For Phil.
Very. Alright, so I think this is where the setup was. I think we came back up and cleared this flat level here at, what is that, 454? That one was 1033. And once we clear that liquidity, we fuck the sellers one more time. I think that's where the setup was, and that's where I enter. But I don't want to give this trade a good rating because just getting a little too
There's over trading going on here.
invested in a big picture idea, I think.
Order submitted.
Man, I hold this one. The market clearly wants to
forever.
fill them. Come back up. I think I might even. This might be a trade I add to. Come back down. Coming back up. We come back down. Skipping ahead too fast. I remember holding this fucking trade forever, man. I think I took one off there. I take the next one off here soon. Yeah. Sheesh. Alright, I'm gonna give that one a poor rating. I'm essentially going to do the same as these ones, except high time frame trend against, low time frame favor. Might have even been low time frame against. Yeah, I'm gonna give that low time frame against, man. This is it's a bad trade. Like, I could see what I was thinking when I took this trade, but I just shouldn't have been taking trades like this. Slip against too. Slip against. Fast. Aggressive. I'm gonna give myself a few mistakes here. I wasn't chasing, but I was overtrading, holding, and revenge trading, which are kind of like the three worst mistakes I have, in my opinion. Yeah, that was not a great session for me on Monday. Or was this Tuesday? I think this is Tuesday, right? 3rd. Yeah. Tuesday. That's the end of my session. So yeah, this was not a great day. I am curious though to see how this impacts my P&L chart. So yeah, this would have been This would have been that low move down. Almost 350 drawdown. Can I include... Okay, that's pretty consistent actually. I like this. I'm glad that my my max open profit loss isn't getting too wild on me. That makes me feel good. Okay. So it makes you feel a little better. Like I had a horrible day that day on December 3rd. But at least I wasn't letting trades run against me too much, and I was taking profit pretty consistently. Yeah, this is pretty tight. I'm pretty happy with this. Okay. So now I'm caught up on December 3rd. That makes me feel better. That'll give me a... that way, when I review at the end of the month, I'll have the whole month. That was really the only day missing, because I didn't trade. I didn't trade Mondays, just this week, pretty much. I have some trades from yesterday I haven't reviewed yet. Yeah, so let's go to that recording. $12.5, and this is at 10.19. A lot of overtraded in this area. So I did this one. Just need to do this one now. Oh, and maybe I should, I could judge pretty quick how the price was moving the session. Let me jump over to that day. It's 12.5. Let's see. This is pretty whippy, but then down here between 10:30 and 11:30 maybe. But I don't think that's where we're at. 10:18. Yeah, this is pretty fast, pretty spiky price action. So I'll reflect that in my journal. Fast. Let me just fill out these real quick. Alright. 10:19. I have to find the seconds, aren't I? 10:19:44. And what am I doing here? I'm getting short. Short and it comes back against me. Yeah, 3 tick loss it looks like. Yeah, so I'll give that a poor rating because I was over trading at this point. I think I already did that. High time frame mean. So if I'm shorting, it would be mean favor. Lower time frame though, I'm against. Right? Because this is at 10:19. Man, you know what sucks? I think this is where I missed that awesome trade. So I'm actually mean favor on the lower time frame. yeah, shortly after this, it fucking plows down into low of day, and I miss it. That pissed me off. Trend against, trend favor. Slip. Did I have slip favor? No, I was slip against on that. Price action. Pretty fast, I would say. Actually, I'll do slow choppy for that. It was starting to slow down there. Aggressive, over trading. I think I reflect that in most of these, yeah. I definitely get into over trading these last few trades. They're just horrible. Tilt. Try to get long here, even though we're chop walking down. So, another bad trade. Long, so I am mean. Pretty sure I'm mean favor here. On the larger time frame. Yeah, because at this point we're like down here. No, maybe I'll do against on the higher time frame. Trend favor because I'm long, but trend against on the lower time frame. Slip against. Slow chop because it's chop walking against me. Aggressive over trading. 1025. Same thing, trying to get long here at the low of day, which is really bad. Yeah, it's clearly downward compressing. Another really bad trade. So, same as last one. Mean against, mean favor. Trend favor, trend favor, trend against. Slip against, or was it mid? I'll do slip mid on that one. Slow choppy, aggressive, over trading. Next one's at 1033. I think I'm on tilt at this point yesterday because I had missed that awesome short setup. And now I'm getting short. Just so much indecision, man. Like, choose a direction, you know? It's hard to watch almost. I hold this one fucking forever. Ironically, I think this one ends up working. Yeah, I'm not even looking at the screen. And I make 150 off of it. Bad trading. Yeah. I think I close it on my other monitor. Not that it matters, because it's a fucking horrible trade. So now that I'm short, I am high time frame favor, low time frame against. Am I high time frame? I might be high time frame mid. I'll keep it like that. Short is against the high time frame, but it's in favor of the low time frame. Slip, I don't think I had slip advantage on that one. Slip against. Slow choppy and aggressive. This one's 1103. Skip ahead a little bit. So now it looks like I'm trying to get long here on the break this range. I get filled and I take a loss on it. So when was this? 1104. 1104 is down here, so I'm trying to play this reclaim. So I'll do. I might do high time frame favor because I think. Where was this? 1104 on December 5th. 1104 on December 5th. Do mid, high time frame mid. Low time frame favor. Trend higher time frame favor, low time frame against. Right? Yeah. Slip. Slip mid. Slow choppy, aggressive, over trading. And then this trade, huge trade. But it's over trading. It was a really good setup in hindsight. It's very high conviction. I think that's why I recorded it as a yellow instead of a red, is because there was edge there. Like, I had edge taking this trade, but I shouldn't have been taking it based on where my P&L was at for the day. And I actually think I end up adding to this trade, if I'm not mistaken. I hold it fucking forever. Let's see. Yeah, I add to it. So this is a 3-lot trade. I don't usually take those. And then I think it just keeps slowly crawling up. Yeah, we get a launch up there. I take one off. I take one off above it. Yeah, and then I take the third one off on momentum. Yeah, I think once we break this local high, I take it. Yeah, right there. Okay, so mean mid, mean favor on the low time frame, higher time frame trend. Favor, low time frame against, right? Yeah, because we're still, at the time of taking it, we were still downtrending. This is like a low of day trade. Slip, I actually had slip favor on this one. Again, like, this was a really good trade. I just shouldn't have been trading here. At the time of entry, it was very slow chop walk. But then later on, it started getting fast again. Execution, aggressive. The fact that I'm holding that long is fucking pretty aggressive. For this one, I'm going to do holding, over trading, revenge, because those are the 3 big bad, and I was definitely doing that with this trade. I'm tempted to even change the rating. Yeah, I'm going to change this to bad rating, because I don't want to be doing this. Even if it's a good setup, there's just so many psychological factors working against me. Definitely shouldn't have been taking these. And I think that's it. So that's the whole day reviewed for this one, right? Yeah. And then today. Yeah. So that's pretty much my review right there. Those are all my trades. I might try playing around with the widgets here for a bit. See what I can get going. This is my win rate, but I'm not sure if this is accurate. So P&L, currency bigger than 1. And then losses, P&L Smaller than 1. Yeah, because I want break-evens to count as losses. Is that accurate? Taking 46 trades this week. I think that's pretty accurate. My fucking win rate's below 50%, but I want to do. So this is the. Oh, cool. So yeah, 1% less than 50%. Cumulative, I don't really care about that. Max drawdown 575. Average trade P&L, average trade against, average trade favor. Well, that's cool. So I'm definitely positive on that. Biggest win, biggest loss, biggest MAE, biggest MFE. Whew. Is there any way I can change any of this stuff? No, I don't think there is. I think this is just raw data. I'm gonna add this one to my P&L. Page filter's cool. Wonder if I could put this above. Oh, I can't make this one any smaller, never mind. Okay, and then let's get rid of this. Garbage. Alright, I want to figure out how these fucking bars work. So maybe I want so is this P&L? Yeah, this is a P&L, so I want to see my so this would just be win-loss, but I want to see my how do I set up averages? I want to see my average win versus my average loss. How would I set that up? Because I don't think so. My average trade P&L is positive. Is this max averse, max favor? Because wouldn't max favor and max against be based on unrecognized? Can I ask stream?
Hey man.
Oh, there he is. I was just messaging you. That's
Oh,
hilarious. um, I got a question for you if you got time.
I'm on a break, so
It depends what you're on a break from. You got a lot of shit going on in your life, brother.
no. It's just had dinner. About to wind down for the day, as you know, as you speak. Also, my English is completely fucked at this time of day, so whatever.
No, you're good, man. I was just wondering if the average MAE and the average MFE are based on recognized or unrecognized trades. Like, it might sound like a stupid question, but I'm trying to figure out what my average win and my average loss are.
Recognized, or what do you mean by recognized or unrecognized?
So, and the reason it sounds like a stupid question is because MFE and MAE are max open profit, right?
Yeah.
And that's
Uh-huh.
displaying on the P&L chart.
Yeah.
I want to know what my average win and my average loss are on trades that are
Oh,
closed.
yeah. So you have your average trade P&L, right? You just need to apply a filter to select only the winning trades or only the losing trades.
Oh, okay. What filter would that be? Can I do it on the
Well, I'll
stats
let you
tab?
figure it out and watch you as you do it.
All right. Um, I can apply filters to the account stats widget, right? The one you just added.
I don't know. Figure it out.
Let's see. All right. So, I assume it would be P&L, right? Bigger than 1. Oh, bigger than 1. Um, what is that trade? So
Good
average
gauge,
trade P&L. Yeah, so this is filtering for just my wins now, right? So my average win is 163.75. Now, if I add another one, it's going to look really messy, but
Well, you
P&L.
can also change the color of the series, which is gonna happen. It's gonna happen automatically tomorrow if I have time.
Yeah, no worries, you're good. So I'll change this to red. I'll change this to green.
You're not gonna see that green very
Oh yeah,
well.
I'll change that. Make it a little darker.
You prefer the light theme to the dark theme?
I do just because some of the font is grayed out, but maybe this will actually work better
Yeah,
for me.
it needs some polishing. The dark theme. It's not.
Yeah, like some of these are a little harder for me to read, but
Yeah,
now that I'm looking at it, it looks fine.
The color of the text remains the same. It's just, whatever.
No, it looks good now. All right, so I think I figured it out. This is but it breaks my cumulative. That's okay. How about I filter those out? So if I go here, I can let me get rid of. I'll get rid of biggest.
Breaks your cumulative? What do you
Uh,
mean?
So see how my max, it says my max drawdown is minus 2,000
Yeah.
if I'm filtering for losing trades. Oh, I guess does
Well,
that math
it's
make
only
sense?
losing because it's
It's
the
only adding
a
losing
drawdown.
trades. Yeah.
It's the drawdown is until you reach another high water mark in the account, which is 0 in this filter, right? So it's the full loss of those trades,
So if
which
I
is why it's the same as the cumulative P&L.
subtract my cumulative wins from my cumulative losses, I should get cumulative, right?
Yeah. You get the blue line if you do that.
All right, that makes more sense. It's just confusing layout, but that's just my brain not being able to comprehend it. So that's now it's giving me the data I
There
want.
is a learning curve to this because it's very customizable. You know.
Yeah, and most
Um,
platforms, most journaling platforms, just spoon feed it to you.
Yeah, which is our niche with this product will be super customizable, super
Yeah,
customability, like Sierra Chart.
yeah, exactly. So now I think this
The
is the data I
trade-off is
want.
it's more, yeah, it's less, it's more difficult to use. It's a trade-off.
Exactly, yeah.
Nothing is free.
Cool. So now I've got my average win and my average loss. Let's see if I can do that on a bar chart now. So, P&L. This will be my losses, so I want it to be smaller than 1. But this is giving me total trades. What am I doing wrong here?
I don't know.
P&L. Oh, but that's a widget filter. I don't want a widget filter. There we go.
Oh, very good,
I figured
very
it
good,
out.
very good.
Okay.
Look how many different statistics you have there.
Yeah, that's a lot of shit, dude. How did I get to that screen again? Bar type. Oh, fuck, man. That's awesome. Okay. I'm figuring it out. I'm learning. You're watching me learn in real time. Okay.
Yeah, this is good for me too, by the way. I want to see people use it,
Yeah, of course.
to see where they get hang-ups. And you don't have tutorials to look at, so that's another thing.
Yeah, exactly. So, yeah, this is essentially the same thing. Oh, why didn't that save? Oh, I didn't apply it, that's why. Apply. Apply, cool. So this is cumulative. Now I want to filter for per trade. How can I do that? Let's figure that out. Cumulative, number of trades. Max consecutive. Biggest, average trade. Would it be average trade? Let's find out. It is. Nice. Right, that's the same data I have over here. 163, 8317. 163, 8317. Cool. Alright, so I've got my win rate on here. This is my average win, average loss. Then this is just kind of my running P&L with stats. Okay, I think this is a good starting point. Although maybe I should combine these. Is there a way to copy and paste?
I don't know.
So I see that. Look, that's pretty much a universal symbol for copy. Widget copied. Okay. And now how do I widget paste? Global filters, clone page. Maybe if I just go here.
Interesting.
How will one figure out how to paste something?
Getting a few ideas.
If I delete this, no, did I just break it? So that just copies it. But this is what I want to copy. Huh. Interesting. Maybe I don't know how to, maybe I don't know how to paste something.
I'm gonna give you another minute before I tell you. I think seeing you struggle with this makes me think that I need to make it a little bit different. The way people paste.
Yeah, because I'm pretty stupid, so take advantage of it while you can. This is the widget filter. This is the window display, right? Yeah. Oh, I just created 2 more widgets. Get rid of that shit. Yeah, that might be it. can't figure it out.
You just don't know. So you're looking for an icon up top near the where you copied, basically, right? That's what your first instinct
Yeah.
was to go. Okay, well, create a new widget,
Okay.
and now wait a second. Oh.
Ah, fuck,
Yeah,
man,
but
that's
I'll make it so
smart.
because right now you can only paste on empty widgets.
Sure. And that makes sense. Like,
Make it. Yeah, and I need to fix the fact that the top gets always cut off.
so.
You need to hide the settings. You can't make it smaller than that. You need to hide the
Oh.
settings if you want not to be cut off.
Let's figure out how to hide the settings. Settings, no. Full screen? No. How does one hide the settings?
You haven't watched any of my videos.
I haven't. I haven't watched a single thing. Well, you're getting the best feedback you're gonna get, buddy.
Yeah.
I'm giving it to you. No, that just creates a new one. Double click. No. No, that just created more. That's to change the name.
So you're looking to hide settings on a single widget right now. That's what you're trying to do.
I'm just trying to hide these filters.
Yeah. Well, you're looking at the wrong spot.
Oh, am I? Where is
Yeah.
it?
I don't know.
It's not full screen. It's not that. I'm gonna stop fucking right clicking on shit. It's the bottom. No.
So it's not on the screen at all right now, by the way.
Oh, for fuck's sake. God damn it. Son of a bitch, you got me. Alright, that looks much better.
You want to make that smaller, but okay, you won't be able to make that smaller.
Yeah, that's fine. But at least that was bugging me that I couldn't see the top of this pie chart, but that looks much better now. Alright, so...
That was a kind of a hack that I did. It's gonna get fixed next week when I publish.
Stats... P&L. Okay, I'm loving this so far. And this seems like a pretty low demand fucking chart too, so I'll bring that over too.
What do you mean low demand?
I feel like the tags stuff that Fat Cat was doing last night was pretty demanding. Like you were telling him, hey dude, like you slow down. You're starting to like slow down the app. But I feel like these are pretty raw stats. P&L. I've got some average stats
Well,
here.
you have a lot of headroom still, just so you know. I
Well-
hate that you're making the chart so big.
Oh, that's fair. That's fair. How about I do this?
Just do them side by side, man.
Wait, hold on. So I do this.
I mean, it's your dashboard.
Paste
You
it
can do
there.
whatever you
And then
want.
I'll delete that. There. Does that make you happy? Does that fix your brain?
Still too big.
Well, I like being able to see my P&L like this once in a while.
But that's fine.
And then I feel like stats they might break if I do like that. No. Oh, cool. All right, I like that. Maybe in that case, then what I'll do is hold on. Let me do this again. So I'm going to copy this, split that, paste it here. I'm going to bring my settings back, and I'm going to get rid of this one, and I'll change these to display number of trades, cumulative, win percent. Do I need that? No, I don't need that for this. Max drawdown. No, because max drawdown is the same thing as cumulative loss. Average trade P&L, yes. MAE, those look useful. I think those are pretty accurate. No, I don't need these because those are going to display in the other column. Oh wait, I need average P&L, get rid of that. Average drawdown, I don't need that. Biggest win, biggest loss. I'll keep those on the other chart. Biggest MFE, MAE, don't need that. Max consecutive, I do kind of want to keep those. And the drawdowns, take that away. Alright. So, this is going to display my win-loss stats, whereas this is going to display my account stats. So I'm going to get rid of these on this side. Is there a way to... Oh, fuck, I love you, Dream. You're such a sexy man. Yes. Oh, fuck, that made my brain tingle. I love that. Cool. Okay, so on this side I've got like overall account stats, and then on this side I've got wins losses. So 20 wins to 26 losses.
The last two
Cumulative.
columns are kind of useless.
Oh, max consecutive.
Yeah, you're filtering for wins and losses, so they're all
Yeah,
gonna be
it's already
consecutive.
over there. Yeah, I
Yeah.
see what you're saying. Oh, and then I can stretch it even further. Let's go. Let me keep it like that. There. Nice. Average trade. Number of trades. Fucking beautiful. Alright. Awesome. I'm very happy with how that looks. Let's hide settings. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Look at that. I think this is as far as I'm going to push it for now, because I don't have enough data for tags. I can fucking get rid of these. Keep it all here. Yeah, that looks awesome. This is like...
If FatCat built a whole huge page with a lot of charts just for one tag.
That's hilarious. He's trying to break it as hard as he can.
Yeah, see, yeah, exactly.
That's fucking hilarious. Oh man. No, I think this is good. This is like a dashboard. Like if I open TraderView right now, this is like the same information they're gonna give me. And then
So
later,
you use TraderView.
yeah, I've used both of them. I've used TraderView and TraderSync extensively.
Okay, how does this compare? I mean, it's still, early development, but
Let's
what
find
are
out.
some things that you would like to see from TraderView or from TraderSync?
One thing I like, and I think it is TraderView. Yeah. So TraderView, if I scroll down, or did I delete all my tags or something? No, I've still got some tags. So, the tag system on your journal is entirely different. However, it would be nice if we could display our trades in a column.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do
view
that
like this.
widget this weekend.
Oh,
That's the
fucking
last widget
beautiful.
that I need to do.
Yeah, that would be nice. Being able to just scroll down and see all my trades, and
Yeah,
then
yeah, it's gonna be the final widget.
and then if I could filter for like even just a couple tags that I want to see displayed next to the trades, because sometimes like on my journal, it really helps me to see like a quick overview of what I was doing.
You're gonna
that day.
see, you're gonna see like all the tags attached to that. I mean, I still have to design that because, yeah, I still have to design
Sure.
that widget because here you're seeing all the tags attached to a trade.
Yeah, and
Wait,
the downside of
you have very
TraderView,
little, very little tags. But
Exactly.
In our journal, people will have a lot of tags
A
because it's
million,
much
yeah.
quicker, right? Yeah, it's much quicker to tag.
yeah, I think
So
it would be nice
there's,
to
there's
just
some UI decisions that I need to make here.
yeah, you and Fat Cat are gonna have to talk that through. It would be nice to filter to see which tags I want to see, but again, I could see the problem where like people they want to see all the tags, but you can't fit all your tags here.
Yeah.
So I see the dilemma there. And then Trader View dashboard. See, it's giving me the exact same data that I just set up on yours. So I got P&L, win-loss, average win, average loss. Trader View is kind of the same thing. Running P&L, wins, losses.
And you can't change this though, right?
No, you can move it around. Like I can add more tiles, I think. Edit layout. Add widgets. Let's see what they got. Recent trades.
Oh, but you can't filter. Okay, yeah. You can't filter.
You can't filter. No
Okay.
filters. Total game.
And also, yeah, they have a lot of widgets, but
they're
not,
vanilla. They're
yeah.
vanilla data. Average hold time. Performance by time of day is an interesting one.
Yeah, you can do that, but it's bugged. I did that this
Yeah,
morning.
I could see how that would get messy. Alright. Performance by price, day of week.
Fuck, keeps writing me.
Who?
My mother. Okay, she's fine.
You're just getting bugged. That's fucking funny. No, it was the same thing with me earlier. You were trying to watch me do the widgets, and then my wife came up to me. She's like, "I just got a job offer," and I'm like, "What?" So
I assume you had a stroke and died. That was my first.
Yeah, he's gone. See you later,
I
Chronic.
was so excited.
Yeah, he did too good today.
Yeah.
That's funny. Yeah, I don't think I ever use any of this shit anyways. Yeah, I think like this is all just vanilla data. I don't think it actually has any edge. Like a lot of
Yeah.
and even on Trader View, like a lot of this data is broken.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I think this is designed for stocks, so they struggle with futures. Let me try to find an example for you.
Yeah, Fat Cat and I was in a call with Fat Cat before, and he was doing his own dashboard. There is a lot of edge in just combing through the stats with a custom widgets. He was going down a rabbit hole on a particular tag,
Yeah.
exploring, building widgets and all of that to see statistics.
Yeah.
Because then you're doing work,
Yeah.
right? And you're learning. Like this, it's very difficult to see where you need to improve because you didn't build this yourself. You just
Yeah, and it's just numbers. It doesn't really matter to me.
yeah.
Like what the fuck does any of this shit matter? Whereas like it took me like half an hour to fucking build this, and I love it, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. Like this is the raw.
There's no
fucking stuff.
tutorials yet. The people will have to watch the tutorials.
Yeah, exactly.
And also, there's gonna be a default dashboard
Hmm.
that like a default layout, so that people who don't know how to use that just have something. Yeah, this journal here is much better.
Yeah, I like this one a lot. Let's see. Somewhat similar layout though. You can see I have some setups on the side here.
Are you still using those, or
No, I haven't used this one.
you use the custom thing that you have?
Yeah, I used the spreadsheet. The last time I used this
Yeah.
was September, it looks like. Trades. Let's get rid of the account filter so I can see everything. There we go. Yeah, so I use this pretty extensively. This is going back to...
Yeah. It's a shame that you lost all of this data.
Yeah,
But you
it
don't
is,
have any tags attached, or do you? No, you don't.
down here, I think I do,
Maybe.
yeah.
Blow up.
Yeah, oversizing, over trading. This one was pretty cool because I had a setup that was similar to Slippery Claims way back before I even discovered Fat Cat. And I was able to go back and change the name of the tag to reflect in past trades. But that's exactly what you're doing, even more so, in that you can retire a tag and then bring that tag back if you wanted to, which is fucking awesome. That's so cool. So one of the reasons I remember that this data was really buggy is because I'm using multiple combines. And when it imported, a lot of the shit was broken. Let's see. So things like account balance would get broken, obviously, because my account balance is resetting every month. Where was it? Cumulative return 436,000%. Not quite.
Wish.
Yeah, one day. Average position MAE is minus 15,000.
Which is wrong.
Which is wrong, yes. Max favorable is correct at 200 and 241. That seems accurate. But for some reason my max against is broken. Total trades. Total shares. I think they try to calculate contracts on shares, but I think I remember this being broken too because I was trading
there's
micros.
no journal specific for futures for some
Exactly,
reason.
yeah.
Which is weird because this new online prop firm stuff is so, a lot of people are doing it, but
and then I think it's configuration. Yeah, setups. It tells you number of assigned trades, mistakes. But there's no option to like jump to the trades or filter by tags. Like I can't filter.
I think you can though, like in the dashboard.
Yeah, it'll let you
Because
filter to look at those
they do.
trades,
So they do filter, yeah.
but not widgets.
You can add, you can add widgets down to the right. I don't know. Yeah, you can filter up top, by the way.
Yeah, up here.
Setup, yeah, you can do that. But it's nowhere near as powerful as.
Yeah.
What
Trader
we
Sync. Hell yeah.
Hey, hi Arthur.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, how are you guys?
All right, just doing some journal shit. I got this sick dashboard set up now.
I didn't know you had Trader Sync. I was thinking about buying that, or TradeZilla, or whatever it's called.
They're not great.
They're not?
Not really. They're useful. Don't get me wrong. I think it's better than not journaling your trades. However, and Dream kind of made a really good point. He's like, because you didn't build any of this, like you don't really know how it's working, and you don't know what the numbers mean. So obviously, it's going to tell you what your average win, your average loss, your average hold time, like time of day, shit like that.
Well, you can get all that data. You can plot that in Excel.
Exactly. Yeah. It's not meaningful data.
Yeah.
Like even if I'm tracking my setups, it's like, okay, so I'm tracking my setups. Like what edge am I getting? Sure, it works. It's profitable. Profitable or not profitable. That's basically as good as it gets on these. Whereas on a journal like the one that Dream and Fat Cat are building, it's like you can look up, am I profitable taking a certain setup on a certain day of the week when I haven't slept very well? Or like just very, very niche things to do with your setups or your execution or I don't know, like your impatience or your calmness. A big one was confused clear. Like I watched Fat Cat's stream yesterday, and he was like, "Holy fuck! I made $10,000 more this month because I was clear on my trades than if I was confused." And it's seeing that data has like a psychological effect on you because you're like, "Oh, that's how much money I'm missing out on by not getting a good night's sleep."
Yeah, it's a lot.
Like it hits home when you do the work yourself.
He's gonna do a lot of content on this stuff, so hopefully people will be able to learn how to use it
Yeah,
easily.
yeah, I'm very excited. And now that I'm looking at it, the nighttime view is way better. Yeah, this shit's awesome.
Yeah.
So we don't have enough tags to do any filtering on the tags.
Not really. I could try. Let's see. What's my?
No, it's fine. You don't have to. I'm not here to make
No,
you work.
no, you're fine.
If you're done, you're done, man. Go back to watch Fat Cat.
No, I want to figure this shit out today. So one thing that I want to filter for is let's say I want to filter out for trades where I have high time frame favor and low time frame favor. Let's see if I can figure that out. So what would be the best way to display that data? Do I want the win rate or do I want the P&L?
So where's all this data stored, Dream? Where does it go?
It's in your local PC for now. We don't have a server.
Oh, it's on your excuse me, it's on your local PC?
No, not mine. I mean yours. So
Oh.
if you open the journal with a different browser, for example,
Mhm.
or in incognito mode, as if you were about to jerk off, you're not gonna see any trades, any data.
Uh-huh.
Which is why I always tell the guys, save it at the end of every day, because if something happens,
Oh yeah, good point.
you can export it there, exactly. If you save it, if something happens, we don't have a server, so it's lost, okay? You
Yeah.
can import it back if you saved it. This month we're gonna do the whole production stuff, so that's when you're gonna have a server and everything will be online. But for now, it's your computer.
Yeah.
Okay, so
one thing I need to kind of I guess quantify for my trading is setups. I couldn't tell you, like, it's hard for me to quantify what those are exactly. I trade price action, so whatever I see on the chart, I trade it. Like I don't even.
Yeah, I do the same, man. But
So how do I quantify that? Like, you guys tracking setups and all this stuff. Like,
No, so what I am tracking is, so I trade like I usually trade,
yeah,
but then when I do the review, I look at the price section and I look at, did I enter when the price was uptrending, downtrending? Was it in a channel? Was it in a spike, like up spike or down spike? Okay.
Mhm.
Doesn't have anything to do with what I'm looking at when I trade, okay? Although, I mean, I do look at that, but it's more subconscious. But in terms of statistics, then I will be able to see which tags perform best in what environment. Like if it's a tight channel, I know that maybe I shouldn't take certain types. Like I don't perform well, okay?
Mhm.
And the way, since I don't have setups, I also have two tags that, so one is conservative and one is aggressive, which is kind of like breakout or not breakout in terms of entry.
Yeah.
It's not a setup, okay? It's just, am I being aggressive? Am I expecting price to continue this direction? Or am I entering in a kind of a, I place my order a few prices down, I expect to get tagged and then price reversing. So it's
Mhm.
not a setup, it's more like the way I enter.
Yeah.
Because I am very discretionary based. I don't have a strategy, okay? And I don't think there is edge in heavy because I would code it. I know how to code strategies. So
Yeah,
it's
that's
not
Well,
like
that's why I have a hard time with, like, when people talk about their, like, setups and shit like that, and like they do like back testing, and I'm like,
No, that's
I-
bullshit in my opinion. That's
I mean,
complete bullshit.
I don't know what. Yeah, it's like, okay, so if you have a setup and you backtest it and it works, why do you trade it? Why not? Well, yeah, build a fucking bot and have it trade your back-tested, setup. But the way I trade, like you, like price action. I'm looking, I'm seeing price moving up, like not only how it forms, but how quickly it does something, right? Like the speed at which
Yeah.
something
You know,
paints.
one good insight that I found doing this tagging stuff is I perform considerably better when I'm not aggressive.
Yeah, me too.
So
Speak
I
the
was
devil.
only able to do that through the tagging.
Mm.
That's what I just pulled up. So I
Oh, so
I just filtered for. Let me.
there you
Um,
go.
It would be cool.
Conservative does better.
It would be cool if I could have a hide. If I could hide one or the other.
Yeah. Fat
But-
Cat told me that as well. It's on the wall.
You can see these are my
So it's
conservative
a-
trades, and I have much
Yeah.
fewer of them. I've only got
Look
13.
at the consistency. It's the same equity line that, very little pullback, very
Straight
little.
up.
And
Yeah,
also, Fat Cat has the exact same thing for his conservatives.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not. He doesn't use conservative. He uses sleep against, sleep favor, whatever. But it's the same, basically.
Mm.
Kind of the same. And yeah. So
That's
this,
crazy.
you're the third guy that has this.
Wow, that's fucking eye-opening, dude. See, that's what I mean. Like, if TraderView just handed me that information, I wouldn't really know what to do with it. But the fact that I know exactly what these conservative trades are, because I reviewed them, I tagged them, I saw the trades that were conservative, and I tagged them as conservative. And I also tagged the aggressive trades, and it makes sense to me. Oh, I'm losing money when I'm aggressive. And I'm
Yeah.
making money consistently when I'm conservative.
Very consistently.
Yeah,
I mean, it's a little sample size, so you don't have a lot of trades, but
exactly. Yeah, it's only 1 week. I did start back reviewing, so I started using your journal on Wednesday. I added Tuesday, and I went back and tagged it. And that way I just had all of December. So I just want all of December. And that way in January I can go back and review the month. And it was pretty easy to do, partly because I have every day recorded and because I already reviewed those in my journal. So it was pretty easy for me to filter over. Okay, this is really fucking cool. I love this. I'm probably just going to get rid of my... No, I think it's good to keep the P&L there. Maybe I'll just change the color. Change this to green, because green means money. Okay. That's fucking really cool. Let's
So
see.
this is day per day, or what kind of scale on the bottom time scale is it?
Per trade. So the green
Oh.
line is every single trade I've ever taken. 46.
And that's the total
Yeah,
for.
cumulative.
Okay.
So I'm up roughly $1,100 this week. Whereas if I just
Nice
traded
job.
aggressively, thanks, man. It was a really good week. If I
this
just
is without commissions, by the way.
yeah, so after commissions, I think it was only like 600-700 or something like that.
Yeah, commissions are gonna come next week.
Oh, dude, if you can pull that off, that's impressive.
Oh,
Because
yeah, of
TraderView
course.
or TraderSync don't do commissions. If I was just trading aggressively this week and I only took aggressive trades, I would only be up. I would be break even, essentially. Conversely, if I only took conservative trades, I would have only placed 13 trades, but I'd be up $1,000 with almost no drawdown. Like there's zero drawdown on this, which is really fucking cool. I'm gonna keep this widget permanently. This is fucking awesome, Dream. Thank you, buddy.
I'm gonna get paid, man. You don't have to thank me.
Well, when it goes live, I'll sling you some money, dude. This thing's awesome. I hope you get royalties for it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna. Don't worry.
Okay, let's play around a little more. What else can I filter for? Price action is a new one, and I might get rid of it because I don't think it's helping me much. Let's do clear and confused. Let's see if I can replicate what Fat Cat did yesterday. Do this. Or maybe what I'll do actually is I'll delete this. Just paste the same one.
Very smart. Very smart.
I know, I'm learning. You can see me evolving.
Yeah, still gonna have to change the colors, which is a pain in the ass. I've noticed that people really leave the default colors.
What did that do? Did I just break it? How do I get rid of this? Oh, there we go. Okay, and now...
Did you use some sort of template to build this, or did you build all this from scratch?
No, this is all custom stuff.
Fuck. How many hours?
I've been going at it for 2 months, about 5 hours a day.
Oh, wow.
But I'm really good, so
Yeah, clearly.
that's why it came out so fast. I know so Fat Cat needs all of it, you know. I was thinking about using some kind of template, but he was very specific about some things, so it had to be custom.
Alright, so I don't have enough sample size for this, because I only have 3 conservative trades. Or, confused, sorry. Let me change this to confused. Change the color to red.
Yeah, but look the clear how much you're making compared to.
Yeah, I would have made $13.50 if I didn't take any confused trades.
I mean, compared to the equity
Versus
line.
what?
Versus...
Yeah.
So, I think this is unrealistic because I only took 3 confused trades, which is when, like, I don't have any read on the market. But my clear minus my confused equals my recognized, which is 1100. But if I wasn't confused and I had a clear read on every single trade I took, I would have been up 1350.
But you also have a bunch of trades that you weren't either confused or not confused.
Yeah.
Because the number doesn't add up.
Yeah, I think that's because I wasn't... There's some that I haven't gone back
okay.
to review. Like,
Okay.
these ones. Some of these are missing it. And because they're a live tag, I don't really want to go back and hindsight it.
Yeah.
So that's why there's a bit of a lack. So let me rename these. This is...
But maybe you're more inclined to say, "Oh, I was not confused," if the trade was a winner, though. So we need to be careful about that.
Yeah, and I had that realization earlier when I was reviewing, and it was about the star rating. And I had to be brutally honest with myself. I was like, I made $300 on this trade, but I was over trading, and therefore it's a bad trade.
You know, the way Fat Cat uses that clear and confused is he preloads it before opening a trade.
Exactly. Yeah, and I can't.
So that's that's genuine.
Yeah.
But if you do it after the fact, then your whole cognitive bias is fucked.
Exactly. Yeah. So I want to try one for... so I'm gonna have to actually get rid of these. I want to filter for rating. I only want to see my good trades. Fuck. That's awesome. Alright, so these are my 3-star. I'm gonna need my P&L to be a different color. Maybe I'll change it to white. just for now.
We'll do blue because maybe then you will switch the light team.
Oh yeah, that's true. If I
Or
switch-
maybe no, maybe it's automatic. Can you try?
no.
It goes away.
Yeah, I'll do blue for now. All right, so then boom, boom, boom. And then wow, look at that. That said something right there.
You have a bunch of YOLO trades on your red ones.
Yeah, you can see I take big winners on my on my poor trades, whereas my 3 stars are much more consistent, smaller wins. You know, which I like that. I like that I'm filtering out big wins that are bad trades.
Yeah.
Because that means I have a problem and I need to solve it. You know, because even my poor performance should be consistent. If I'm poorly performing somewhere, it should be a consistent poor performance. This is just way too inconsistent. I shouldn't be taking huge fucking $300 wins on a poor trade. Okay. Alright, I'm liking this so far. Let me change these to be a little more consistent. I'm just gonna have to change conservative. Okay. Alright, we're cooking. We're cooking. Let's see if there's anything else.
I don't know if you know,
What?
but if you go back to the dashboard, you can apply different levels of filters. Like you can also apply at the page level or at the global level.
Ooh.
So let's say here you want to see only the logs, you can do that for this whole page. Like try to do that, for example.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, just to so you know.
And then I can get rid of that, right? Yeah, so let's get rid of that. And let me try my P&L. See if that breaks this whole fucking page. I don't think it matters because I already know what my data is here. But just for experimentation, I'm just gonna go ahead and save in case I break
Does
anything.
doesn't fucking break.
I built this. It won't break. Longs only, yeah. Interesting. Okay. So then what about... Oh, I could filter for day of the week. That's cool. So what if I wanted to only filter for 3-star trades? Fuck. Look at that. That's
Well,
awesome.
that's the same equity line as the other, yeah.
Yeah, it's the exact same. I'm getting that same data on the other page, but it's cool to see. Like this is what I could be doing. This is what month could have been, you know, if I was just taking better trades. That's crazy. Maybe a little unrealistic, but it's still cool.
Yeah, there is a bit of hindsight maybe, but
Yeah. Oops. Tags. I want to figure out. Oh, I won't have any trades for the emotional ones though, because I only used them today. What else could I try filtering for? Yeah, I feel like the rest of the tags won't have enough sample size to give me anything meaningful. Cause like I don't think I took a single high time frame mean favor trade this week because we were at all-time highs. Slip maybe. Yeah, slip might give me a good one. Let's see how I would do that. So, what do I want to calculate? Let's see. Yeah, I guess let's do another P&L chart. So let's do this. Paste it. Get rid of that, and then we'll add. What did I change this to again? I kept it blue. Yeah, that's right. Slip favor. Cool.
Oh yeah, that's the same that FatCat uses, right?
Yeah.
Let's see if you have the same result.
Yeah. Tag. Slip mid. Oh, it's down there. Slip against. I don't think I had very many slip against trades, so it might not be a big enough data set, but still interesting. Look how important that slip filter, that slip favor is.
You're the opposite of FatCat because FatCat had a lot of slip against.
Really?
And few slip favor, but the slip favor were performing considerably better than the
Interesting.
slip against. But he took many slip against, so.
Yeah, it could be the market we're in. Like breakouts are fucking working lately.
No. The slip favor was working a lot better, but for some reason he took more slip against. And
Oh.
the low-hanging fruit for him next month is eliminating, like doing more of the slip favor and less of the slip against.
Yeah.
And also the confused, he lost a lot of money when he was confused.
Well, yeah, I would have made $1,800 on slip favors this month. And slip against and slip mid made almost no money. I would have been negative.
It's not a big sample size, but yeah.
Yeah, still the point still stands. There's a trend, That is so interesting. What's this? This is rating. This is oh, did I just break it?
What did you do?
I went to change the name of it and I accidentally clicked and dragged it.
Ah, okay. This is an old bug that I didn't know how to recreate. So wait. What exactly did you do?
So I went to change the name, like that, and then I clicked and
Yeah.
dragged, and it broke.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So I was trying to click and change the name,
Okay,
and then
finally, because FatCat had this problem a couple of times and said he's switching widgets at random. What the fuck is happening?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I'm so glad that I found that. Okay.
yeah, you saw it in live time.
Let me write a rant. I knew that I should have stayed here and watched you do it because I knew we would find something.
And you know what? I've got it recorded. I'm
Good.
live streaming on YouTube right now.
Oh, you're live streaming?
Yeah, so I can have the recording here for you. Let's see.
Yeah, show me exactly. Oh, you can do it right now. Cool.
Is this where I was at?
Show me.
Yeah, right there. Okay. Let's go.
Okay, so wait. You went to
So I did this one, and then I came down here.
yeah,
I double
yeah,
clicked.
yeah.
Right there.
And boom, it fucked.
It's gone. Yeah.
How?
Isn't that
Why
weird?
does that happen? I have no idea. Okay, very good. We figured this out. Nice.
Yeah. No worries, man. I can send you that recording too if you need it.
I know. I've seen it. I know what to do.
So I was trying to like highlight. Like I was trying to highlight text,
Yeah.
and it moved it instead.
You need to disable move. Yeah, I know exactly what I need to do.
Slip beaver. Submit. Slip against. Cool. Alright, it took
So,
me
Chronic,
30
do you find it helpful when you record your screen and then you go back and you review? Like, do you feel like you've improved by watching yourself review?
Dude, it's not even fucking comparable. I can show you where Trader Sync. Let's go to what's my most recent trades, or where are they on Trader View? I don't remember. No, where are my most recent trades? I don't remember. Oh, it's because I'm filtering. So these are from September of this year. When I wasn't recording. And like maybe this says consistent to somebody, but it's really not, man. Like I was always bleeding. I didn't know what was going wrong in my trading. I would write down mistakes, so too early, misinput, oversizing, impulsive, but I didn't know how to fix any of that shit. It was all mostly hindsight, you know? And I just kept bleeding. Like down here, you could see it, dude. Like fucking lots of losses down here.
Yeah,
lost. It's so hard for discretionary traders like us to be able to see our mistakes. Whereas, like,
Yeah, because you make a trade and you forget about it. You don't really think about like what were the conditions of like it's like because it's not a setup. It's hard to track what the fuck
exactly.
it is.
And
Yeah.
another added benefit is I'm talking, like I'm recording my voice. So that's why I live stream in Discord, is so that I'm not just talking to myself and my wife doesn't think I'm crazy.
Like, you're recording all of us too?
Yeah, I'm recording all of you. You didn't read the fucking non-disclosure agreement I sent you?
God damn it, dude.
Your wife doesn't think you're crazy.
Yeah, she thinks I'm batshit crazy.
What did you tell her for this whole trading stuff? Oh, I'm an investor. I'm doing finance.
No, she knows I'm a fucking degenerate, dude. She knows better
you're
than anyone.
Fucking degenerate, man.
That's funny. But no, to answer your question, it's like being able to see what I'm thinking and seeing the ticks go up and down and seeing what's going on the tape and watching the orders on the DOM, watching my mouse hover over the buttons, hearing my tone of voice, because sometimes I'll get pissed off and I can hear it in my voice.
Dude, so like if I did that, then I'd have to review like fucking 6 hours of video, bro.
No, you won't, because for one, when you export your journal, they're timestamped. So 10:01:15. If I jump to 10:01:15 and I have that little timer in the corner of my screen, it takes me exactly to where I place the trade. You know, this is the wrong day, I think. Yeah, this is the
Oh, gotcha. So it takes you like, 30, 40 minutes to review?
Not even, dude. I reviewed all these granted, I only had 6 trades today. You might have like 50. These 6 trades that I took today took me less than 10 minutes to review.
All right, let me try to see how many trades I took today. Trade activity log.
keep in mind some of them might be
Yeah.
duplicates. So.
Yeah, I took way too fucking many today.
I mean, I usually take like at least 20 a day, which is kind of a lot. But
Well-
in my opinion, the advantage of doing the review is that
Mhm.
you train your brain to look at yourself as you trade.
Yeah.
Because when you look at your review and you watch yourself trade, you
You
see all the
cringe, yeah.
mistakes. And then when you're trading, you remember that and say, oh, I remember that I did this. And you're kind of observing yourself because you've trained observing yourself doing the
Yeah.
review, right?
Yeah.
So your consciousness is like at a higher level. You're monitoring your emotions as
Yeah.
if you were the observer instead of just a monkey clicking buttons. But that's a skill, I think being able to do that and treating the emotions as if they were like a sense, like vision, and not reacting on them, needs to be trained, and the best way is through the review.
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah, it's impossible to get a meaningful review without it.
Yeah. So, I just run my stuff on a laptop. I just, like a regular laptop. I feel like and I have a wide, like 30, whatever, something, 32 or 34-inch screen, wide screen, and I trade on here, and I feel like it's already. My computer's barely able to handle it, and if I can start, recording these videos too, it's going to be a huge mess.
It's not as bad as you think. I had a horrible fucking laptop before. I got a PC maybe 2 months ago. Before that,
So you think it's better to stream to YouTube versus
No.
just recording it with like, what is that, like, popular screen grab software?
I
OBS.
use OBS, yeah. So I'm running
Oh,
OBS
OBS,
right
yeah,
now.
OBS.
I'm
Huh?
streaming, but before, when I was on a laptop like you, I only recorded. I couldn't stream. It was too much. Like, my laptop couldn't handle it. But recording
Yeah.
through OBS is not very demanding at all.
Oh,
Yeah, but
okay.
even better than OBS, if you need something even less demanding, is something called Simple Screen Recorder.
Oh, that's cool.
And you can set it up so it only records like 15 frames per second and make it super. It's faster than OBS. I tested.
So
If
it's
you-
it's Martin. Wait, simple screen recorder. Where did I go get that?
Simple. It's a very, simple software, and I have mine. So
Is it
let's
on
set up
GitHub?
this.
Like, where do I get it? Microsoft Apps? Where do I get the simple screen?
Oh, isn't there a website?
No.
No idea where I got it. I'm on Linux, so
Oh, you're on Linux. Oh, dude, you're you're
yeah, I am.
you're a purist. Linux? Damn,
I'm
bro.
a software developer. Windows gives me cancer.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I can't stand it.
What about Mac?
I've
iOS.
never used it, but it would be probably a lot better.
Because it's Linux based, I think.
Yeah, a lot of software developers use that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's this Martin Bert. Yeah, I'll send you the link. I don't know, is it on Windows? I think it is.
Uh-oh.
If it isn't, well, use OBS.
And this is better than OBS, you said?
Yeah. At
Huh.
least on Linux. Maybe Windows OBS is more optimized. I have no fucking idea.
Dream, I think I broke something else.
What did you break?
I was, again, it was renaming. I was renaming these widgets, and a widget I wasn't even touching broke.
Oh, okay. So that's another bug that FatCat had. You can't delete that now.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. Good. Yeah. So tomorrow I'll do an update where you can delete those.
Okay.
Actually, since you're here, just bear with me a second. Press F12 if you can, please. Go to console. Interesting.
Sorry, my
Okay,
resolution.
press that delete icon again for this widget. Okay, yeah, whatever. Can you expand that? Actually, expand. Yeah, go to the error on the console.
Which one? Sorry.
The one red. The down. You see that red line? Yeah. Expand that to the left. Left. Expand. No. The little arrow. It's a drop down. The arrow. 1 centimeter. Yeah. Send me a screenshot of that, please.
Sure. Man, it must be so frustrating for you to watch someone like me do this.
No. You're fine.
Yeah,
I'm a
I'll
stoic,
DM this to you.
stoic individual. I'm open to. So yeah, send me that. Interesting. Yeah, dashboard grid, dashboard widget, line. Yeah. So right now you can't delete this, but leave it like make it smaller for now, so it's not.
Yeah, that's fine.
And tomorrow you will be able to delete it,
Okay.
hopefully. And so it happens when you were dragging and renaming.
Yeah, I can
Good,
show you
good.
the exact moment it happened if you want.
Yeah, show me.
Let's see. So, yeah, I think I was down here when it happened. So I was renaming some of this shit. I don't think you're gonna see it break though. So
Yeah, but
if
I
go
see
back-
what you did.
Yeah, so this is already broken. Let's see.
Yeah.
Oh man, when was it? When did it break? Because you know what? Now that I'm watching it in hindsight, I think it was already
Maybe
broken.
maybe it broke when it broke the other widgets. So it was already broke.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it broke when you broke. It's the same bug. It's
Yeah.
the same bug.
That makes more sense.
Okay. Two birds with one stone. Very nice. I thought there were two separate bugs. Nice. Very nice.
Figuring
Good.
it
Yeah,
out.
keep it there for now.
Yeah, you
Because that's where you had the equity line with all the, which then got sent to the other page, and this got fucked.
Yeah, it was raw P&L with MAE, MFE.
Yeah, and it went in this page and that got fucked. Okay. That was the last big bug that I didn't know how to find in this dashboard. Hopefully.
Take a screenshot of my stats here. Actually,
So, Dream, I think simple screen recorders for Linux only.
Oh dear. Well, we are an
What?
elitist bunch as Linux users.
Yeah, everything about it says Koga OX, then NIX OS, PC Linux OS. Nothing in here says Microsoft,
Are you stuck with OBS?
Yeah, I'll just use
Or
OBS.
there is the default Windows one. With Windows 10 they have the one that comes with, sorry, Windows 11. They have the one that comes with Windows 11. Which I don't know if it's good or not. I'm so glad that I found that bug. So happy.
yeah. I'm glad.
Sorry
I could
that
be
your
of use.
dashboard broke, but
Oh, I don't care. Yeah, it's fun. All this shit's still working though, so
yeah.
yeah, that's awesome. Well, I think that's about it. I think I'm pretty comfortable where I'm at now. I've messed around with most of these tags. The emotion ones are probably gonna have to wait because I can't use those with the timer.
Yeah, now you want to tag more because you want to build a data set.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Like I'm like, how do I get more data? How do I get more data?
Yeah. It's gonna make you overtrade.
Yeah, probably. I have I have the market read currently set to the timer, but maybe I'll take it off because I think I can use a little bit of hindsight to know what my read was on the market. Like maybe not a few days ago, but I think if I'm reviewing like an hour after I place the trade, I think I can use hindsight to tell what my market read was. I just gotta be careful with hindsight. But these emotional ones are gonna have to wait until I can use use the timer. Mistakes. I think mistakes are good, but again, I don't have enough data set. I've only made a couple mistakes this week. Execution I already did. Price action one I might get rid of. Slip. Trend I think I need more. And then mean I think I need more data. Cool. I fucking love this thing, man. You built a monster.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, I'm really excited to use this more. But I think I'm gonna call it. That's my
Yep.
Friday. So I'm gonna take off. I should be back Monday though. Do some more trading. I'll fuck around with the journal more. See if I can break it for you.
Yeah, I have the new mod for me starts on Monday on the new combine.
Oh,
So I'm
nice.
excited.
Yeah, that's exciting. All right, man. I'll catch you then. Same with you, Artem. I'll catch you on next week, buddy.
Yeah,
Bye.
thanks, man. You guys have a good one. Or Dream, you're logging off too?
Yeah.
Sounds good,
See you
man.
guys on Monday.
Yeah, catch you guys later.
Yep.
See ya.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
later.